From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Well, good afternoon. I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright here with your Campus Weather Service forecast. And we're going to take a look down at our pals in Johnstown. But, you know, we see some snow on the ground, see the clouds in the sky, and notice the temperature. 20 degrees. It is a bone-chilling 20 degrees as you step outside, and it feels like 3 degrees. West wind, because of that west wind of 23 miles an hour. It is a windy, gusty, cold day as you step outside, and around the rest of the region, it's not much better. 30 degrees here in State College, 26 in Altoona, 27 up in Clearfield. But then the rest of the state, we're going to briefly take a look at these temperatures because this is not what you're feeling because of the wind. The warm spot, though, being for the actual temperatures, 38 degrees in Philadelphia. Here are the feels-like temperatures around the region, 27 in Philadelphia, 19 here in State College, 9 in Du Bois, and 5 in Johnstown. It is a very cold day, especially with that wind howling as you step outside. So bundle up and grab your mittens or something because it's going to be a cold one if you're heading to class or doing anything outdoors. So in terms of the satellite and radar, what do we see? Mainly clouds around the central portion of the state, some snow showers around the area. But all these snow showers, they are lake effect snow bands, bringing a lot of snow to some areas. Earlier in the week, we were suggesting probably up to about 12 inches of snow in some of these areas. And as a result of the lake effect snow, it is coming down heavy and causing some hazardous driving conditions in these areas along Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. So most of New York being covered in a blanket of snow, that is for sure. As a result of the snow, a winter storm warning has been issued for the coastline along Lake Erie until about 6 p.m. this evening. About 6 inches of additional snowfall are possible depending on where these lake effect snow bands set up. So drive carefully if you're heading into the areas because it is going to be a tough one. That's for sure. But what can we expect for the numbers here in State College? 33 degrees for a high, and winter will be nipping at our noses. That is for sure. It is a cold, blustery, windy day. Maybe a few flakes falling here and there, but other than that, it's just a cold, blustery day. That is all we can get right now. 26 for a low tonight, mostly cloudy, but the winds start to calm down. Notice 15 to 20 miles an hour. And gusts only up to 35 rather than 40 miles an hour. And then the downward trend for the winds continue tomorrow, a high of 35 and west-northwest wind at 10 to 15 and gusts up to only 25 miles an hour. So what does this look like in terms of the future weather? Now, the winds are coming out of the northwest over the next couple of hours into this evening, but notice the lake effect snow showers begin to die down, especially as we head into the overnight hours and the winds begin to change. And I notice we have the curvature in the wind coming, so it's no longer directly from the northwest. We get a little nudge into drier, not drier, but calmer conditions as we head into the day tomorrow morning for your classes at about 8 a.m. Now by tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours, the clouds will be hanging around for most of the day on Thursday. However, notice the winds. They are a lot calmer and they are no longer from the northwest, so we begin to calm things down as we head into the day tomorrow. So we have that going for us. So for the 7-day forecast, what can we expect? Friday, 37 degrees for a high. PM showers, not snow showers, forgot to change that, but otherwise Saturday we do warm back up to about 44 degrees with rain falling on that day. So we do get the warmer temperatures, but also the rain accompanying it. Then by Sunday, 54 for a high. Then we drop back down Monday and Tuesday into the low to mid 40s, right around normal for this time of year, with another shot at rain and snow coming in on Tuesday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright. Make it a great day, everybody.